Hello everyone. In this lecture, we'll learn about key concepts, GSD, overlap, resolution and accuracy. In drone surveying, capturing images is only the first step. The quality and accuracy of your final maps and models depend heavily on a few important technical concepts. In this lecture, we'll explore four key concepts that every drone surveyor should understand: ground sampling distance, image overlap, resolution, and accuracy. Let's start with ground sampling distance, commonly known as GSD. Ground sampling distance refers to the actual distance on the ground represented by a single pixel in an image. In simple terms, it tells us how much area each pixel of the photo represents. For example, if a drone survey has a GSD of 3 centimeters, that means each pixel in the image represents 3 centimeters on the ground. The lower the GST value, the higher the level of detail in your map. A lower GST allows you to see smaller features such as cracks in pavement, small objects on the ground, or fine terrain details. GST is mainly affected by two factors: the altitude of the drone and the camera resolution. Flying lower usually produces a smaller GST and therefore more detailed images. Now let's talk about image overlap. When a drone captures images during a survey mission, the photos are not taken randomly. Instead, they are captured with intentional overlap so that software can connect the images together. There are two main types of overlap: front overlap, which is the overlap between the images taken in the direction of flight; side overlap, which is the overlap between images captured in adjacent flight lines. Typical drone surveys use about 70 to 80% front overlap and 60 to 70% side overlap. This ensures the photogrammetry software has enough shared visual information to reconstruct the terrain accurately. Next is resolution. Resolution refers to the level of detail that the camera can capture in an image. Cameras with higher megapixel counts can capture more detail and produce sharper aerial imagery. However, resolution alone does not guarantee a good survey. Factors such as lighting conditions, flight stability, and camera settings also influence the final results. Finally, let's discuss accuracy. Accuracy in drone surveying refers to how closely the measurements in your map match the real world positions on the ground. Accuracy depends on several elements, including GPS positioning, ground control points, flight planning, image quality, data processing methods. Professional drone surveys often use ground control points or RTK enabled drones to achieve high levels of positional accuracy. Understanding these four concepts, GST, overlap, resolution, and accuracy, is essential for producing reliable drone survey data. They determine how detailed your maps will be and how useful the data will be for engineers, planners, and survey professionals. In the next lecture, we'll explore another important topic: coordinate systems and GPS fundamentals, which play a crucial role in accurate drone surveying. Thank you.